Hi, this is Raksil and you are watching Raksil 777's channel, and this is the custom ROM review of Pixel Extended 5.2 based on Android 13, and the UI is smooth, right? You can see that. And let's go to settings, about phone, Android version 13, extended version 5.2. Double tap on Android 13 and move the clock position to 1 o'clock. You will see Android 13, right? You get 5th November 2022 security patch, Soviet Star kernel update from November 26, right? Let's go back, and in application you get assistant, you don't get game space here. Okay, in PE extension you get customization, network traffic monitor, status bar. You get 4G VoLTE icons, tap to sleep. In lock screen you get display, media cover art, lock screen charging info, ripple effect, and UD FPS customization. And here I have picked custom UD FPS icons, but it's not working here. Fingerprint is fast and smooth, but custom UD FPS icon is not working. Alright, you get screen of FOD. Okay, it's working. You get power app volume control, fingerprint success vibration. Okay, that's it in Pixel extension. And let's go to display. You will see live display, tap to wake, double tap to sleep. You get colors: natural, saturated, boosted, adaptive. Battery usage. Alright, my battery is only 2000 mAh. It's already damaged, 2 years old phone. Alright, and here is the battery statistic. Active drain 20.10%, idle drain 2.05%. Screen on time 2 hours 23 minutes 48% consume. Screen off 8 hours 17 minutes 17% consume. Alright, in Play Store you get device is certified out of the box, and on the left side in your home screen you get Google Fit, and I don't feel any lag here. This is smooth enough for 60 FPS, right? And in quick setting panels you get scan QR code, AOD, caffeine, one-handed mode, reading mode, sound amplifier. And this is the CPU throttling test. Max 189K GIPS, average 179K GIPS, minimum 171K GIPS. Alright, and check out the Geekbench score here. This is the Geekbench score. Single score 721 and the multi score is 2434. This is the average and decent score. Alright, and in home setting you get Pixel launcher. You have at a glance option, and the camera you get here is, look, check out the camera. This is the camera. Okay, you can install some other Google cameras from Telegram. You can install from Redmi K20 Pro photography group. Here you can get some good Google cameras. Alright, just type gcam here. Type hashtag gcam and you will get Google cameras here. You just need to start and you will see Arnova, Burial, Beta. These are the Google cameras here. And let's test the safety net attestation. Safety net profile pass, basic integrity CTS profile match passed, so it's good for your banking application. And that's pretty much it. Keep smiling and goodbye.